Having a comfortable and efficient home that saves you energy and money is high on Lisa's and every homeowner's list. I've ducked down to Melbourne to visit the Home Show with Roshan from Energy Matters to check out some awesome solar solutions. The Home Show is all about putting people in contact with all of the things that they need for their home, whether they're renovating or rebuilding. So I'm excited.
So we're here today to see our very good friends, GoodWe.
I think that people are after the solution. I've got to say, with all my clients, everyone wants to include solar. It just makes financial sense. It's great for the planet and great for the wallet. So I think it is a perfect solution.
This is the best place to do that. Let's go and have a chat.
Dean and John from GoodWe Australia are here to answer all of our solar questions. With top-of-the-range solar inverters, battery storage products and more, GoodWe are the perfect fit for the solar solutions of this home. I can see all of these very fancy-looking machines. This is above my pay grade to understand, but obviously something you guys get. Can you explain what these are?
This is our full range of inverters and batteries here. So an inverter converts unusable energy to usable energy for the household.
Would that be the visual size of a battery you'd recommend?
Typically one stack should be enough, otherwise they can go bigger if they need to, but we would say one full stack giving 16 kilowatt hours would probably be average.
Well, in a remote region where they're prone to power blackouts, the energy storage is key. So setting up a backup circuit in the event of a power blackout would be vital for them, so they can keep essential things such as aircon, lighting, refrigerators powered. And we can demonstrate that by the system you see behind me. That's a working system.
This is actually running off that setup, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So we've got lighting here, as you can see, the TV behind us. We've even got a refrigerator just in the cabinet below.
Okay.
So we can really demonstrate a bit of a lifestyle situation by demonstrating the power blackouts and just how instantaneous that kick-in is. So people can have that peace of mind so that they know that they've got that backup power when they need it.
You're at a time where you're dealing with a requirement. It's power. We want energy from the sun, but that connection that you just mentioned, John, about being able to put the car, that's something that we're just on the horizon now. We're a bit slack here in Australia. We haven't had the uptake that the rest of the world has, but this is something now that can be attached to your systems later when people are buying their cars.
Yeah, absolutely. We're getting more and more households now inquiring about the EV charger. They really want the holistic solution. We're lucky enough to be able to provide them the inverter, the battery, and then also the EV charger.
All of the solutions, guys. I love it.